Hello dears, good morning all. Today we are going to study which are the important ecosystems, because in our last class to study the importance of forest. You know that forest is an important ecosystem. Today we are going to study some more examples of ecosystems. Then before that I am going to ask one question. What do you mean by ecosystem? What is ecosystem? Yeah, what is that? It is a habitat and it includes two important things. Which are they? Yes, very good. Which are they? Biotic and abiotic factors. Okay, so an ecosystem means it's an habitat and which includes both biotic and abiotic factors. Okay, and you studied that forest is an important ecosystem. Then, can you say some other examples of ecosystem? That means it's a particular habitat and it includes both biotic and abiotic factors. Yes, you please try to say. Which one? Yes, very good. What's that? Hills. Okay. So, hills is an example for ecosystem. Then, another one? Yes. Next one? Pond. Okay. Then, next one, what do you say? Yes, paddy field. Okay, so we can write field or we can write paddy field. Then, next one, what's that? Okay, mangrove, yes, or we can say groves, mangroves. Okay, next one, over. Yeah, what do you say? Okay, very good, well. Then we can add lake, ocean, or sea, etc. All these are the best examples of ecosystem. So, what is ecosystem? Ecosystem means it is a particular habitat or is a particular place where different types of organisms live with the help of abiotic factors. Okay, so there are so many ecosystems in our surroundings. The important among them are first one hills, next one pond, next one paddy field or farmland, next one mangroves, next one well, then lake, canal, etc. All these are the best examples of ecosystems. Okay, so all these we can say ecosystems. Listen, then you know that nowadays we people are destroying all these ecosystems in one way or another. Then we can take the best example for paddy field. So you know that paddy field is an important example for ecosystem, but we people are destroying that. How? Can you say how we are destroying paddy field? Yes, what's that? We are constructing houses. Okay, you know that now most of the paddy fields are vanishing because of the human activity. We people go and level the paddy field by adding soil or by adding quarry waste or different materials, and we level the paddy field and we construct different types of houses or buildings there. Okay, so we can say we are destroying paddy field nowadays. Is it good one for our nature? No, we do not do such bad activities because it is against or it will automatically destroy our ecosystems. Okay, then likewise another important ecosystem you forgot to say that is river. River. Okay, so we are also polluting or we are also destroying river. That means how we are destroying or polluting river. Last year you studied that. What's the answer? Yes. What's that? Throwing waste materials into the pond. Into the river. Into the pond also. In some certain cases, people are throwing waste materials into the pond. But in most cases, people, especially a lot of people, they are living near river bank. So it is so easy for them to throw waste materials directly into the river. Okay, so that's also not a good habit. If we do like that bad activities, it automatically destroy that ecosystem, or we can say it will destroy or pollute river. Okay, then we can take the case of hill. You can see a picture in your textbook. Look here, you can see that picture here. What you can see yes, when JCB is that JCB is demolishing or carving or changes the shape of that particular hills for our construction work. You are taking soil from hilly area and we level the paddy field, or we can say we level the lowland area and we construct buildings there. Clear? So, it is another activity we are doing forward to destroy ecosystem. Which ecosystem? Hills. Okay, so now you studied which are the important ecosystems. Which are the important ecosystems? First one hill, next one pond, then next one paddy field or field, next one mangroves, then next one well, next one river, then and so many ecosystems are there that you will study in your higher classes. Okay, then we people are destroying or always try to pollute or destroy these different types of ecosystems. Now you study how hills are destroyed. That means by using JCB we are demolishing the hills. Demolition means we are cutting down the hills for getting soil. Then you know that quarry work. In certain places we can see that there is a quarry work is going on. Maybe it is in your neighbor area. Okay, then what is the importance of that particular hill? It is full of rock. So we people conducting quarry work there and we take a lot of rocks for our construction work. Then gradually the shape of that hill automatically change and it adversely affect the loss of the soil in that particular area. Okay, so that's an important bad activity we are doing against the hills. Then pond, you know that we are throwing waste materials. In some cases, pond we level to get more land. Okay, in the olden times there were more ponds in each and every premises, but nowadays there is no ponds in our surroundings. It's very less. Okay, the next one field you studied. What's the condition of a paddy field now? Then another one mangroves. Mangroves are some particular graveyard places or some particular places where we can see a number of trees grow thickly, grow together. So they give habitat for small and big organisms. But we people clear that mangroves for getting places for our own activities. Okay, the next one well. In certain cases we are leveling or we cover that particular type of well if we had no use. But actually we think that it's also a particular habitat or ecosystem for small and big organisms. Okay, but if we had no use of a particular well, what we will do? Yes, we will automatically cover the well. Okay, the next one river. You know that we are dumping the waste materials, throwing the waste materials, then sand mining. That means sand mining means we take sand from rivers. Okay, so sand mining is also another method through which we are polluting river. Clear? So these are the important ecosystems and how we pollute the ecosystems that we discussed now. Okay, then you can see in your textbook page number 15. Okay, look here, you can see here that page number 15 here. Then you can see there are some activities of human beings against the ecosystem. Okay, so what are that ecosystems? I am going to write on the board because there's a work for you, you have to complete that. So what we discuss here, I am going to write on the board. All of you please take down in your notebook. Okay, so all of you listen here. First one, we can take the case of a paddy field. How we are destroying our paddy field. First one, leveling the paddy field. Leveling the paddy field. Okay, then another one, to get more yield, more production from our agriculture, we use different types of fertilizers. Fertilizer in Malayalam we say Rasavalam or chemical valam. Okay, so fertilizer. But if we use more fertilizer, it adversely affects the fertility of the soil. Okay, so we can say another point, excess use of pesticides. Okay, or we can say excess use of chemical fertilizer. That also you can write here. Then, so in the case of paddy field, these two things we are doing. Then we can take the river. So what is the main duty against or to remove or to destroy the habitat of river? First one, sand mining. Okay, sand mining. Sand mining means collecting sand, excessive collection of sand from the river. That is known as sand mining. Okay, then another important activity or another bad activity we are doing to pollute the river is dumping waste materials. Okay. Dumping wastes. Okay, the next one we can take in the case of a hilly area. What is the activity we are doing? What work we are doing? We are doing demolition or we are cutting down. Demolition of hills. Okay, so these are the important points you have to keep in mind. Then another important thing, if you take in the case of forest, what we are doing to destroy or to remove the ecosystem or the good conditions of the forest, we are cutting down trees. Okay, so we can write deforestation. Deforestation. Okay, so please take down this in your notebook. These are important human activities through which we are destroying our ecosystem. Okay, that work here you have to complete. Over. Okay, I am going to rub this point. Then listen here, you know that, what's the importance of June 5th? Yes, what's that? Very good, Environmental Day. Okay, every year we celebrate that day with great pomp and show. Do you know what's the reason for that? Why do we celebrate June 5th as Environmental Day? What's that answer? Yeah, to plant more trees. Okay, one point, to plant more trees. That means that day we celebrate to create some, what we can say, to understand or to give some advice to the people about the importance of trees. Okay, so every June 5th we celebrate as Environmental Day. In our school also we celebrate that day with great pomp and show, and you may get different types of small saplings of jackfruit tree, mahogany, teak tree, like that. Okay, then it's your duty to go and plant that small saplings in your locality, or we can say in your premises. Okay, so that's the importance of June 5th, or we can say the importance of Environmental Day. So, when we celebrate that June 5th as Environmental Day, it's a golden chance for you forward to give some advice to your common people or to give some awareness about the importance of trees. Clear? Then, in your textbook, you can see there's a picture. You take page number 15. That picture you can see here. Then, what you can see the, yes, what that children are doing the, yes, one boy is planting a small sapling. Okay, then one girl is watering another small sapling. Okay, then one boy, that boy is helping to dig the soil. Then you can see another important thing here. What is that? There is a poster there. That poster shows the importance of trees. Clear? So, you also want to prepare some important posters that show the importance of trees. Okay, this year you lost your golden chance. That means we couldn't observe June 5th as our Environmental Day in our school. But I hope that all of you have done some good activity in your house. Okay, so it's your time or it's your duty to plant small saplings in your premises, because you know that now different saplings of coconut, jackfruit and mango you can available in your premises. So please take that one or two small saplings and you please plant it in your premises. Okay, then another important duty for you is very important question for exam. You have to prepare posters that show the importance of trees. So I am going to show you one model that shows the importance of trees. All of you listen here. You want to prepare a poster like this. Okay. So here I have written a poster. An important thing, that is, a tree is a bone. Clear? Tree is a bone. In Malayalam we say Maram Oru Varam. Okay. So you can prepare posters like this. Okay, so all of you listen here. You can draw the picture of tree, or as you think, it's your choice. You can draw anything that show the symbol of tree, or you can paste any tree's picture and you have to write some topics also like this, some heading also like this. Okay. So here our first chapter is going to over. Then there is only a few works for you that you have to complete in your notebook. Okay, so 1 or 2 works is here, because all other works we have already completed. So all of you please prepare 3 posters that show the importance of trees. Okay, so that's the end of our first chapter. So I am going to wind up here. Study very well. Okay, thank you.